Welcome everyone into my channel SaskiYano. With UMD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do not forget to leave your feedback and your suggestions down below in the comments. This will help me to improve the content of our channel. In this video, we are going to explore how to expand the interoperability between applications as we convert an Illustrator file into a shape layer. So, if you look at my project, you will notice I have a composition that is made up of a bunch of Illustrator layers. Now let's say I want to animate this tree like I don't have multiple copies of this tree enemies across the page. Well, I could do that relatively easily using the repeater and shape layer. But if you notice, since this is an Illustrator layer, when I open up its options, I only have transform options. So, with any Illustrator layer, you can go ahead and select that layer and go under the layer menu. And go down to create. And here I can go ahead and create shapes from the vector layer. So, when I do that, you will notice a couple of things happen. First off, the tree layers did not disappear, its visibility however has turned off. So, I will go ahead and collapse that. Now you will see the star icon next to the word tree outlines, that is letting me know this is a shape layer. So, if I open up its options, you can see here are my contents, and if I open that, there's group 1. So, if I select the word contents and go to add here, I can go ahead and add a repeat. And sure enough, there are multiple copies of my tree. So, if I open up the options for the repeaters here, I can go ahead and animate the offset of these trees and have them fly through the scene. Or if I want the copies to be spread out more, I can open up the transform options for the repeater and increase the amount of space with the position. But the repeat is not the focus of this video. The most important thing to understand is that any layer that is an Illustrator layer can be converted into a shape layer. And once it is converted into a shape layer, you have a whole host of different options for creating animations. What you learned. How to convert Illustrator layers into shape layers. Convert an Illustrator layer into a shape layer. 1. Select the Illustrator layer to convert. 2. Go to layer, create shapes from vector layer. 3. Open and adjust the layer options for the newly created shape layer to take advantage of the unique animation possibilities provided by shape layers. Here we go, we are done for today. Do not forget to leave your comment down below to help me to improve the content of the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.